This is really informative thing to you, my friend. I have lost my keys and how I can open the steering wheel lock really fast. Okay, let's look at how many seconds it takes time. Okay, and now I start and I cut this in here and starting point. Okay, and now my steering wheel key lock is free. Okay, and now we can look that how durable these things are. There is this steel bolt what was inside in here, and when I cut those both, it goes really nice away. And now this part, there is this another steel bar. But what we can think this steering wheel key locks protection. Now it is really low if somebody is using these battery-based products. Okay, that kind of information to you, my friend, and see you in next movie.